everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. While eating a nice mild biryani or a nice pulao, we enjoy it better when there's a nice side dish to go along with it. Today I'm going to share a wonderful side dish. This is dalcha and we're going to make it with Lauki, that is bottle gourd. So let's get started and check it out. I have taken 3 types of dal for this recipe. First we need to soak the dal. To a bowl add quarter cup of toor dal, quarter cup chana dal and quarter cup of moong dal. Wash it 3-4 times, pour enough water and soak it for about 1 hour. To a pressure cooker, add all the 3 dals which are soaking for about an hour. Along with this, add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 2 green chilli slit, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and mix everything well. Now add 3 cups of water, it's a 250 ml cup measurement. For enhanced flavors, I'm going to add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and a handful of chopped mint leaves. Mix it all well, close the pressure cooker and let this cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. Once it is done, turn off the stove and keep the pressure cooker aside. Once the pressure is released, let's check on the dal. You can see it's cooked beautifully. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. To a nice wide kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add the whole spices, a piece of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 cardamom, 3 red chillies, add a few peppercorns and roast it well. Then add 1 large onion finely chopped and saute till it comes to a nice golden brown color. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Then add 1 finely chopped tomato and cook everything for about a minute. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and mix everything well. Next, add the bottle gourd pieces. I've taken 1 medium-sized bottle gourd, that's Lauki, and chopped it into nice large-sized pieces. It's a nice fresh tender bottle gourd without any seeds. It would taste great if you use tender bottle gourds, that is Lauki, for this recipe. Mix everything well till the masala coats the pieces completely. Add some water, give it a quick mix. Close the kadai and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the bottle gourd has become soft. At this point, add the cooked dal to the masala mixture and mix everything well. Keeping the flame on low, add some more water, close the kadai and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open the kadai. Wow, the dalcha has come out really well. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tamarind puree and mix everything well. Let this boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add some crushed kasuri methi leaves and some chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. Turn off the stove and remove the kadai. It's incredibly delicious and easy to make. Hyderabadi Dalcha is ready to be served nice and hot. You can enjoy this with any pulao, biryani or rice of your choice. I'm serving it with some yummy peas pulao. We'll give you the link in the description. Do check it out. Well, I'm waiting to try this special dalcha along with this tasty peas pulao. So here you go. It's incredibly tasty. I'm in a happy place right now, seriously. Fantastic. This is a great side dish that you can enjoy with any mild pulaos, biryanis or even with plain rice or roti. The flavors are just incredible. It's a must-try recipe, I would say. So do give it a try, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.